Here's the entrance to the peninsula. Drive up Port Cochere. Thank you. Peninsula Manila, room 748. Let's open this up and take a look. Just arrived here after a long flight. And we'll discover this as I go through. Nice mirror just in the entry. We've got a closet with an umbrella. Looks like a really large size safe. Plenty of hangers for this space, but it's not a huge closet. You come to the washroom area. To a soaking tub, nice and deep. The main sink area. Water closets in here. We have a shower, of course. Nice robe, feels really plush. Bath towel feels really nice as well. And down here we got plenty of drawers for storage. Nice spot to keep the luggage. And we move to the bedroom. Nice king size bed. Lighting's good. Nice, they've left a couple of waters. Chair for seating. So you got a fruit plate here. Orange, couple apples, banana, grapes, kiwi. That's nice. Let's take a look. Let's open the drapes and see what we've got outside. View of the city. Not a balcony, but roadway outside. I'll try and take a look at that again during the daylight hours. It's a bit dark there right now. It's a desk and working area. Nicely well set up. And then television area. Got a mini bar down here. Soft drinks, beers, juices, waters, some champagne. To the side are just more storage drawers. And cups for the coffee maker. And then the welcome amenities. We've got some macarons, something there that looks quite interesting. Got a note from management, I presume. And then the coffee setup station. An interesting selection of nuts and chips and stuff in here. Some glassware. And so one last scan of the room, and that's my room at the Peninsula Manila. Thanks for watching our life's journeys and catching this video.